Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are looking at the replay. So basically what it says is that it gives you the ability to explore a previous run playbook or task using the playbook artifact. What is a playbook artifact? So whenever you execute a playbook, right, using the Ansible Navigator, it stores something you call the artifact. Now the artifact is, let's say, the output of the task that the navigator ran. So as you can see, I already have some playbook artifacts over here, but then I can do ls again for you to see the number of artifacts that we have. So I think it's 1050. So I think the most recent one will be 1048. So I'll just copy this and it's in a JSON format. We can do a cat iOS XR artifact 0, 3, that's 4, 8. Yes, so as you can see, it actually has a JSON format of the complete execution, everything that we ran. So, some of these things can be used for troubleshooting, and it's very important, mostly in production environments, and it helps you build your capacity as an Ansible content creator. So you get to know how Ansible really works under the hood. You get to see everything. It's not only about seeing it on the black screen that you may think that you're running the playbooks. You need to understand how Ansible works in the back end, how it runs the playbook, how it executes tasks, and everything. It's very important. So now back to the playbook, Ansible Navigator. We can use the replay to run this playbook again. So as you can see, it's going to replay the task that we ran earlier due to the artifact, the output stored as a JSON file over here. So it's going to just read it and make it more meaningful to you. So JSON is more of machine formatted data structure. So it will just pick it and format it into your human readable form. And that's what Ansible Navigator is best at doing that. So you get to see everything. So you don't just run playbooks, right? You just run playbooks and you're able to revisit them to analyze whatever um, task you executed. So thank you for watching this video. And I think the last part will not be anything special. For example, the settings review, the current Ansible Navigator settings. Okay, so let me pause the video and let me stop the video and I'll continue my next video.